City police say that a firearm was not involved in Sunday's incident inside the Rushmore Mall. Officers were called to the mall around 5 p.m. yesterday for reports of gunfire. Police located 48-year-old Kenneth Woods just outside of the mall. Public Information Officer Brendan Medina said Woods was very agitated at first, but officers were able to calm him down. After investigating the situation, authorities say there were no shots fired and no firearms found on the suspect or in his car.
Thankfully, nobody was hurt, but I think this is a great example of why we train so closely with the mall, why we work so closely with them and our counterparts in law enforcement, and also our counterparts in the firefighter emergency medical services portions of first response.
Police say they did find a syringe and meth in Woods' car. He also had a warrant out for his arrest. Woods is now facing charges of obstruction and possession of a controlled substance.